Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python with VS Code. First, download and install Visual Studio Code on your operating system. Next, open VS Code and navigate to the Extensions view, searching for and installing the official Python extension. After installation, select your Python interpreter, ensuring it is correctly configured. Finally, create a new Python file, perhaps named hello.py, and save it. You are now ready to write your first lines of Python code. VS Code offers powerful features to accelerate your Python learning. IntelliSense provides smart code completion, helping you write correct syntax and discover available methods. The integrated debugger allows you to step through your code line by line, inspect variables, and understand execution flow. Use the built-in terminal to run your Python scripts directly. Additionally, features like Go to Definition help you quickly understand function and variable origins, enhancing your comprehension. To learn Python effectively, consistent practice is key. Dedicate at least 50 minutes daily to writing small, focused code snippets, perhaps solving a simple problem. Experiment with various Python libraries, such as NumPy for numerical operations or Pandas for data manipulation, to broaden your skills. Implement version control, like Git, to track your code changes and manage projects. Engaging with online communities like Stack Overflow provides valuable support and diverse examples. As you progress, consider exploring advanced topics. Utilize virtual environments to manage project dependencies, keeping your global Python installation clean. Incorporate linting tools like Pylint and formatters, such as Black, to maintain high code quality and consistency. Learn to write unit tests using frameworks like PyTest to ensure your code functions correctly. Finally, delve into official Python documentation and specialized online courses to deepen your expertise and tackle more complex projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.